Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an ultra high quality video from the images using AI. So the website that we are going to use in this uh, image to video conversion is helio.ai, and helio.ai is giving you the free trial for the first 3 days with 1000 free credits. So one video only takes 30 credits to be generated. So first of all, we need an image as well as we need a prompt. So for the image, you can go to the ideogram or some other image generation website to create an image, and then after that just put your prompt and generate the video. So let's see how it can be generated. So first of all, I'll upload the image. So the image is about a cat that is washing orange fruits in the kitchen sink. Okay, so I'm going to give a prompt that I want an ultra realistic video of a the cat washing orange fruit in the kitchen's sink. Please create a high quality video with vibrant tone and cinematic view. So this is our prompt. Now let's click on the button to create it and wait for it. So viewers, here is the generated video from the helio.ai. So let me show it. You can see that the video includes a realistic cat with a realistic orange fruit that is being washed in the kitchen sink, right? So similarly, you can create other videos. For example, yesterday I have created this video that shows babies playing in a park from different and camera angles, right? So like this, you can create a lot of videos from this helio.ai, and I'm again telling you that the subscription fees is not that much, but before that, a trial version gives you 1000 free credits, and each video takes only 30 credits to be generated. Thank you.